औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप सभी का और एक बार खैर मकदम हमारे इस फेसबुक चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल पे। और इस रन चेज में आपका सभी का खैर मकदम। इस टोटल टारगेट इज 198 runs in 18 overs. This is very well luck of 46 runs by Ubaid, and also Muhammad Azim 36 runs, 30 runs by Tanveer Rashid at the end. Very well luck of 24 runs in 10 deliveries by Faizan Bhatt. So the total target is 198 for Shining Star Avlura. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले। It is quarter final between the two teams, Tangmarak Pillows versus Shining Star Avlura. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. The first team of this team is Trans 11 Chukar. They qualify in the semi-finals. The second team of this match between Shining Star Avlura and Tangmarak Pillows. The two batsmen दोनों ही बल्लेबाजी के लिए मोहम्मद जीशान रहमान and Danish Ahmed. On bowling mark it is Mohammad Tawfiq. The total target is 198 runs for Shining Star Avlura in 18 overs. तो देखते हैं कौन सी टीम अपने नाम इस जीत को दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी और अपना नाम सेमीफाइनल्स में बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी। All is set to ready this game. The total target 198 for Shining Star Avlura. On bowling mark it is Mohammad Tawfiq, Zishan Rahman, he is on strike. On non-strike and it is Danish Ahmed. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम जीतने में कामयाब हो जाएगी। अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे टंगमार्क पिलूज के गेंदबाज और किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे शाइनिंग स्टार अवलूरा के बल्लेबाज। तो देखना होगा किस टीम का पलड़ा भारी रहेगा, कौन सी टीम अपनी जगह बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में। इट इज तौफीक, द फर्स्ट ओवर ऑफ दिस टारगेट रन चेज, द सेकंड इनिंग ऑफ दिस मैच। तौफीक टू द बैट्समैन जीशान। This is creatively very good start by the bowler Mohammad Tawfiq. बीट किया बल्लेबाज को और कैन के सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। The total target is 198 in 18 overs. मोहम्मद तौफीक की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छे खिलाड़ी है इस टीम के, छाने जाते हैं टेक्निकल बॉलिंग के लिए, एग्रेसिव बॉलिंग के लिए। He plays also very well with bat, but today without any run he lost his wicket. Mohammad Tawfiq, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Zishan. 198 is the total target. Again continue, good shot played by the batter and very good fielding. The two batsmen complete only a single on the board of Shining Star Avlura. They have one run on board without any run. Mohsin Malla, thank you Mohsin Malla साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. मुनीब ज़हूर और best of luck मेरी तरफ से दानिश नज़ीर को। Thank you मुनीब ज़हूर साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. It is Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Danish. Again here's chance, here's appeal. The umpire refuses this. Very good bowling, very good keeping behind the wickets by Mudassir Aftij. एक अपील लेकिन नकारा वहां पे अंपायर ने, बॉल के सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। मुनीब ज़हूर, हाय, थैंक यू मुनीब ज़हूर साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. It is run chase. It is second inning of this match. The total target is 198. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Mohammad Tawfiq to the batsman Danish Ahmed. Mohammad Tawfiq to Danish. Oh, here's chance of it. Oh, very good catch at the end by the fielder Watson. And the first wicket Danish. This is a good start by the bowlers, especially Mohammad Tawfiq. He take his first wicket on his third delivery. Very good catch at the end by Ubaid, which is also known Watson of this team. So it is a trouble for Shining Star Aurora. They lost their first wicket. They have only one run on board. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा, अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा वाटसन के दौरान एक अच्छा कैच लिया और पहले ही विकेट गवाई स्टार शाइनिंग अरोरा ने सिर्फ एक रन बोर्ड पे 197 विकेट इन 105 runs Shining Star Aurora, but they have only 9 wickets in hand. So this is a good start by the bowlers of Shining Tangmark Blues, especially this Mohammad Tawfiq. Kaushal Mastan, well done Mohammad Tawfiq. Thank you Mohammad Kaushal Mastan sahab for joining us with this live broadcast. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा, एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा. वाटसन ने एक अच्छा कैच लिया और विकेट दिलाई अपनी टीम को. Tangmark Blues, very well start by the bowlers. After one for the loss of one. Mohammad Tawfiq is again the new batsman is the new batsman is Nadim is the new batsman for Shining Star Aurora. It is Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again, very good delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of wicket keeper. It is again great delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. No run score remains on 1 for the loss of 1. Dar Asif match kahan pe hai? Thank you Asif Saab for joining us. It is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukar Tulba ground. Munib Dar Danish Nazir tak meri salam pahunchao. Thank you Munir Zoor Saab. It is salam from Munib Zuhur to Danish Nazir. Mohammad Tawfiq is on his last delivery to the batsman Nadim. Okay, good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. The two batsmen complete only a single. This is very well over of Mohammad Tawfiq, and in 1 over 2 runs and 1 wicket of Danish. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup under 19 at Chukar Tulba ground. Before this, one team, Front Salem Chukar, they qualify in the semi-finals. Now into the attack, it is I think Muhammad Azim. Shahid is into the bowling attack. He's on his first over. It is the second over of the second inning. The total target 198. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Ball will raise the boundary for four. थंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन जीशान रहमान के बल्ले से, सॉरी नादिम के बल्ले से. शाहिद इज अगेन. मुनीब ज़हूर, दानिश नज़ीर ने कितने किए? कोई भी रन नहीं बनाया आज दानिश नज़ीर ने. इट इज शाहिद अगेन टू द बैट्समैन. अगेन गुड कमबैक. वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय शाहिद. Ball goes into the gloves of wicket keeper Mudassir. No run. The score remains on 6 for the loss of 1. It is Shahid again to the batsman Nadim. He is on 5. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they have a huge total to win this match. It is a wide here by the umpire. 7 runs on board for the loss of 1. Shahid to Nadim. Again, good delivery. Very good delivery. Quality delivery by Shahid. Ball goes into the close of wicketkeeper Noran. The score remains on 7 for the loss of 1. देखो दानिश नज़ीर कहाँ पे है. Thank you, Munib Nazir Saab. This is again, it is again shy to the batsman Nadim. Again plays very well, shot at the end. Very good fielding by Tanveer Rashid, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. Thank you, Munib Zuhur Saab, for you allowed to Danish Nazir. He is on your screens now. Thank you, Danish Nazir Saab, for reply this Munib Zuhur. It is Shahid again to the batsman Zishan. He's on 1. Again, good shot played by the batsman. Ball will raise the boundary पर दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन Zishan Rahman के बल्ले से. The score moves to 12 for the loss of 1. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. It is the second over of second evening. The total target 198 is the total target for Shining Star Aulura. But a good start by the bowler Mohammad Tawfiq. In his first over, who take first wicket. The wicket of Danish. Shahid again to the batsman Zishan. Again, good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन Zishan Rahman के बल्ले से. The score moves to 16 for the loss of 1. It is again good shot played by the batsman Zishan Rahman. He moves to 9 in 4 deliveries. Munib Zuhur da bir şey salam ona. मुनीब साहब मैंने इसको बोला है इस वक्त मेरे ही पास है दानिश नज़ीर कुछ बोलना चाहोगे इसको तो बोल सकते हो. The score after 2 overs 16 for the loss of 1. 198 is the total target for Shining Star Aulura. Today very well luck of 46 runs by Ubaid Watson and also Tanveer Rashid 30 runs. 36 runs by Muhammad Azim. At the end 24 runs by Faizan Bakht in 10 deliveries. After 2 overs, the score is 16 for the loss of 1. It is Mohammad Tawfiq into the bowling attack. Again, he takes first wicket on his first over. He's on his second over. 182 required Shining Star Aulura in 96 deliveries. Mohsin Mallah, thank you Mohsin Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Munib Zuhur, best of luck. By आज रन क्यों नहीं बनाए? Thank you. Munib Saab, for you allowed to Danish. Every time it is not Sunday. It is Mohammad Tawfiq into the bowling attack. Aliaji, remember the name of Khaki. Thank you Aliaji. He is one of the best cricketers in this area. Ejaz Khaki. Remember the name of Ejaz Khaki. Really, he is aggressive, powerful, talented cricketer of this area. Now Mohammad Tawfiq is again to the batsman Nadim. Mohammad Tawfiq to Nadim. Oh, this is great. Every ball goes into the close of wicketkeeper Noran. The score remains on 16 for the loss of 1. Munib Zuhur और कल हमारा मैच है उधर 9 AM. Thank you Munib Zuhur sir. I will try my best to live this match tomorrow. Inshallah, I hope so. It will be. Everything depends upon God. It is Mohammad Tawfiq again. The batsman on strike is Nadim. Sorry Aliaji, I have no information still about that match. It is again Mohammad Tawfiq to the batsman. The batsman wants to take a single at. It is great running between the two batsmen Zishan and Nadim. The score moves to 17 for the loss of 1. उसके बारे में अभी कोई information नहीं है. You can check my page Aliaji for update for upcoming matches of YCCL. It is Mohammad Tawfiq. The batsman on strike is Zishan Rahman. He's on 9. Tawfiq to Zishan. Okay, a chance. It is great bowling, great catching behind the wickets by Mudassir Athlete. Shining Star, they are trouble now. They lost their third wicket. The wicket of Zishan Rahman. This is again could come back by the bowler मोहम्मद तौफीक। इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था मोहम्मद तौफीक में वो कला है विकेट लेने की। एक और बार दूसरी विकेट चटकाई यहाँ पे मोहम्मद तौफीक ने। Behind the wickets it is very well catch by Mudassir Athlete। 17 on board for the loss of 2. Now Shining Star, they are in trouble now. They lost early 2 wickets. They have only 17 runs on board. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम क्वालिफाई करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। नाउ द न्यू बैट्समैन इज ऑन स्ट्राइक। आलिम मुश्ताक इज द न्यू बैट्समैन फॉर शाइनिंग स्टार अवलूरा। So this is a great start by the bowler Mohammad Taufiq. 2 wickets, only give 3 runs in his 1.3 hours. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ali Mushtaq, the new batsman. अब देखना होगा कौन से बल्लेबाज यहाँ पे जमकर खेलने में कामयाब हो जाएगा। एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है यहाँ पे शाइनिंग स्टार अवलोरा को। बट इट इज ग्रेट स्टार्ट बाय मोहम्मद तौफीक। ही इज अगेन टू द बैट्समैन आलिम। कैन खोटी गोली की रफ्तार से विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान। मोहम्मद तौफीक की बात करेंगे। ही इज वन ऑफ द एग्रेसिव बॉलर, टैलेंटेड यंग बॉलर ऑफ टंगमर्ग ब्लूज। इज ऑन हिज सेकंड ओवर। 2 विकेट्स फॉर मोहम्मद तौफीक टुडे। He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ali Mushtaq. 181 runs required. Shining Star Aurora. Again good delivery, very good delivery by Mohammad Taufiq. Ball goes into the gloves of wicket keeper. No run. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद ले। It is an important match, quarter final between the two teams, Tangmarg Blues versus Shining Star Aurora. Tangmarg Blues, they won the toss and they decided to bat first. Very well locally today. Ubaid Watson, 46 runs. Mohammad Azim, 36. It is Mohammad Taufiq again to the batsman. Ali Mushtaq again. Good delivery. Here's the field. Out killed by the umpire. Very good delivery by Mohammad Taufiq. Shining Star, they are now in trouble here. They lost early 3 wickets. 17 on board. Again very good delivery by मोहम्मद तौफीक। एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान और 3 विकेट चटकाए अपने कोटे में। He is on his second over. So this is a great start by the bowlers of Tangmarg Blues. Early 3 wickets. Today very well lock off 36 runs by Mohammad Azim and also 30 runs by Tanveer Rashid. At the end very well lock off 24 runs by Fazan Butt in 10 deliveries. After 18 overs, they give the target of 198 runs. But it is a great start by the bowler Mohammad Taufiq. After 2 overs, 3 wickets for Mohammad Taufiq. तारीफ करनी होगी इस गेंदबाज की। एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान। सिर्फ 2 ओवर्स में 3 रन खर्च किए और 3 विकेट चटकाए मोहम्मद तौफीक ने। नाउ द न्यू बैट्समैन इज शेख साहिल इज द न्यू बैट्समैन ऑन स्ट्राइक। Sorry. Not Wasik. Sorry, Wasik is the new batsman on strike and Sheikh Sahil is into the bowling attack. He's on his first over. The batsman on strike is Nadim. He's on 7. तो अब देखना होगा किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे ये 2 बल्लेबाज, क्योंकि मुश्किलात में है इस वक्त शाइनिंग स्टार अवलोरा की टीम। एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है गेंदबाज मोहम्मद तौफीक ने। 3 विकेट चटकाए हैं अपने 2 ओवर्स में और 3 रन खर्च किए हैं। It is Sheikh Sahil on bowling mark to the batsman Nadim. Again good delivery, but missed by wicketkeeper Mudassir. The 2 batsmen complete a single. The score moves to 18 for the loss of 3. Now Wasik, the new batsman on strike. Sheikh Sahil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Wasik. Again good delivery. Totally no run. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कसी हुई गेंदबाजी आज की है तंगमर्ग ब्लूज के गेंदबाजों ने। एक अच्छी शुरुआत मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान 3 विकेट चटकाए अपने 2 ओवर्स में। सिर्फ 3 रन खर्च किए हैं तौफीक ने। It is Sheikh Sahil again. to the batsman Wasik. Oh, again got it, here's the appeal, but the umpire refused this. मारना चाहते थे लेग साइड में, लेकिन बीट किया यहाँ पे गेंदबाज ने बल्लेबाज को और बॉल गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. The score remains on 18 for the loss of 3. Arda. It is Sheikh Sahil again. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Wasik. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Ball will rest the boundary for 4. It is a 4. I think very good fielding at the end by Mohammad Tawfiq. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 2 रन बचाए मोहम्मद तौफीक ने. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा. The score moves to 20 for the loss of 3. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Wasik. He's on 2. Oh, again good comeback by the bowler Sheikh Sahil. Ball goes into the gloves of wicket keeper, no run. तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत है आज गेंदबाजों ने, खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक ने 2 ओवर्स मुकम्मल किए और 3 विकेट चटकाए, सिर्फ 3 रन खर्च किए अपने 2 ओवर्स में मोहम्मद तौफीक ने. इट इज शेख साहिल, ही इज अगेन ऑन हिज फॉलिंग मार्क. द बैट्समैन ऑन स्ट्राइक इज वासिक, ही इज ऑन 2. 20 on board for the loss of 3. Oh, again good shot here, and here's chance of a catch, but very good fielding by Mohammad Tawfiq. The 2 batsmen complete only a single after 3 hours, 4 hours. The score is 21 for the loss of 3. Thank you Munif Saab for your positive comment in comment section. I will try my best to show you on screen Danish Nazir. After 4 overs, 21 for the loss of 3. तो आज अच्छी खासी बल्लेबाजी की है टंगमर्ग ब्लूज के बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर उबैद वाटसन ने 46 रन बनाए और मोहम्मद आजिम की तो बात ही कुछ और है. हर वक्त वो अच्छे खेल का नज़ारा दिखाते हैं अपने पल्ले से. 36 runs by Mohammad Azim and also 30 runs by Tanvir Rashid. And then very well luck up 24 runs by Faizan Bhatt, 24 runs in 10 deliveries. The total target 198 runs, 177 runs. Shining star Aulora they need. It is Mohammad Tawfiq again. He's on his 3rd over. The batsman on strike is Wasik. Oh, again good delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. No run. The score remains on 21 for the loss of 3. Here the 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership because they lost early wickets. It is Mohammad Tawfiq again. Very well shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Asi mare ka jawab 4 run. A well caught shot played by the batsman Wasik. The score moves to 25 for the loss of 3. मुनीब साहब थैंक यू. कभी कभी इस वक्त कभी हो रहा है मिस जज बाय द अंपायर्स. मुनीब जहूर और साजिद ऐसे आउट हुआ. थैंक यू आप सभी का शुक्रिया. इट इज मोहम्मद तौफीक अगेन टू द बैट्समैन वासिक. Again could come back by the bowler Mohammad Tawfiq, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to complete a single. The 2 batsmen take a single. Very good running between the wickets by the 2 batsmen Wasik and Nadim. 26 for the loss of 3. 172 in 81 deliveries. Shining star Aulora need to win this, not only win this match, to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. And Tangmarak they need only 7 wickets. Again good delivery, very good delivery. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को और बॉल गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान. He is on his 3rd over. Nadim, he is on 7 in 10 deliveries. Tawfiq to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again good delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. Dart delivery, no run. The score remains on 26 for the loss of 3. Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again continuity by Mohammad Tawfiq, no run. तो एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद तौफीक के दौरान इन इज थर्ड ओवर 8 runs 3 wickets by मोहम्मद तौफीक शाहिद in 1 over 14 runs. कसी हुई गेंदबाजी की आज टंगमर्ग बिलूज के गेंदबाजों ने, खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक ने. 26 for the loss of 3 after 5 overs. It is Sheikh Sahil again. Very good delivery by Sheikh Sahil. No run, score remains on 26 for the loss of 3. Sheikh Sahil, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Wasik. Oh, again here's chance of a catch, but it is no man's land. The two batsmen complete a single. The score moves to 28 for the loss of 3. It is a Sheikh Sahil again. The batsman on strike is Nadim. Oh, again कोटरी मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया बल्लेबाज को, बॉल गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. The score remains on 27 for the loss of 3. Shining star, they need 171 in 75 deliveries. हम यार आउट कौन हुआ? थैंक यू हम यार साहब for shining us with this live broadcast. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again कोटरी, very good delivery by Sheikh Sahil. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper no run. It is a 6th over in process. 27 on board for the loss of 3. एक कसी हुई गेंदबाजी की आज गेंदबाजों ने, खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक की बात करेंगे. 3 ओवर्स में 8 रन खर्च किए और 3 विकेट चटकाए. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. After 5.45 overs, 28 for the loss of 3. Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman. Wasik is on strike. It is no ball given by the umpire. अगर हम स्कोर बोर्ड की बात करेंगे, शाइनिंग स्टार अवलोरा के जीशान रहमान सिर्फ 9 रन बनाए और दानिश अहमद की बात करेंगे कोई रन बनाए अपना विकेट गवाए. नादिम इज नॉट आउट ऑन 8. आलिम मुश्ताक ने कोई रन बनाए अपना विकेट गवाया. वासिक इज नॉट आउट ऑन 9. जीशान, दानिश and Alim, they lost their wickets after 5.5 overs. The score on board is 30 for the loss of 3. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again could come back by the bowler after 6 overs and of first power play. The score on board is 30 for the loss of 3. अगर हम बात करेंगे टंगमर्ग पिलोज की तो 6 ओवर्स के बाद 72 रन था बोर्ड पे और 2 विकेट गंवाए थे टंगमर्ग पिलोज ने. सो दिस इज अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट बाय द बॉलर्स ऑफ टंगमर्ग पिलोज, स्पेशली मोहम्मद तौफीक. 3 wickets for Mohammad Tawfiq after 6 overs, 30 runs for the loss of 3. Into the bowling attack, it is Shahid. He's on his first over. The batsman on strike is Wasik. He's on line. Shining star Aulura. They need 168 runs in 72 degrees and they have only 7 wickets in hand. It is Shahid into the bowling attack. Wasik is on strike. Ah, this is great start by the bowler. Shahid beat the batsman. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper no run. The score remains on 30 for the loss of 3. It is Shahid again. Shahid again to the batsman Wasik. Oh, again caught by Shahid. Beat the batsman. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper no run. This is a good start by the bowler Shahid. He's on his second over, sorry. In his first over he gave 14 runs. So this is good comeback by the bowler Shahid. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Wasik. Wasik is on 9. Oh, again caught very good delivery by Shahid again. 3 deliveries by Shahid. Shining star Aulura की बात करें. They required 168 runs in 69 deliveries and they have 7 wickets in hand. It is again Shahid. Ball will raise the boundary for 4. It is 4 for the batsman Wasik and 4 for Shining star Aulura. 164 runs required. Shining star Aulura and they have 7 wickets in hand. 34 for the loss of 3. Shahid again to the batsman Wasik again plays very well shot here. Well, oh, it is best played here. Ball raised से boundary दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन Wasik के पल्ले से. The score moves to 38 for the loss of 3. 42 for the loss of 3. Wasik is on 17 in 16 degrees. It will be seen which team will be qualified in the semi-finals of this team. The team who win this match, they will not only win the match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup Under 19 played at Chukatulbagh ground. It is Shahid again to the batsman Wasik. He is on 17. 160 required. Shining star in 67 degrees. It is Shahid again to the batsman. Very well shot. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन Wasik के पल्ले से. It is a great shot played by the batsman Wasik. The score moves to 44 for the loss of 3. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a huge target of 198 runs in 18 overs. But this is a great start by the bowlers of Tangmar Piloos today. Very well bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. 3 overs, 8 runs and 3 wickets by Mohammad Tawfiq. 44. तो अब देखना होगा किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे तो बल्लेबाज, क्योंकि पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. एक बड़ा टारगेट दिया है टंगमर्ग पिलोज के बल्लेबाजों ने. एक अच्छा सा टारगेट 198 is the total target for Shining Star Aulura today. Very well knock off 46 runs by Ubaid Watson and also Muhammad Azim 36 runs and Tanvir Rashid 30 runs and 24 runs by Faizan Butt in 10 deliveries and also 21 runs by Sakle NG. Faizan Butt is into the attack. He's on his first over. The batsman on strike is Nadim. After 7 overs, 44 runs on board for the loss of 3. It is Faizan Butt into the bowling attack. He's on his first over.
Carry this cover.
154 runs in 66 deliveries. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम क्वालिफाई करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में. It is Faizan Butt into the bowling attack to the batsman Nadim. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Ball raised the boundary for थंडर आता हुआ सीम वाले का से बाद 4 रन नादिम के बल्ले से. The score moves to 48 for the loss of 3. The partnership is on 31 in 26. यह पार्टनरशिप सरदर्द बनते हुए टंगमर्ग ब्लूज के गेंदबाजों के लिए अब देखना होगा. It is again Faizan Butt to the batsman Nadim. Again good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन. It is 52 runs on board for the loss of 3. Again caught terribly by Faizan Butt. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. It is wide given by the umpire. 49 for the loss of 3. It is the 8th over in process. Nadim, he is on 12. It is Faizan Butt again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again caught terribly by Faizan Butt. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. No run. Faizan again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again caught delivery, beat the batsman. No runs, score remains on 49 for the last of 3. This is a quality delivery by Faizan, but beat the batsman Nadim. 15 runs required Shining Star per over, but this is great bowling by the bowlers of Tangmarak Pillows. एक कैसी हुई गेंदबाजी की आज गेंदबाजों ने. Faizan, but again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again caught delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper Mudassir. No run. The score remains on 49 for the last of 3. तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है गेंदबाजों ने, खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक ने 3 विकेट लिए अपने 3 ओवर में और सिर्फ 8 रन खर्च किए. It is Faizan again on his last delivery to the batsman. Sorry, he's on his 5th delivery to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again caught delivery. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा फैजान भट्ट के दौरान. It is the last delivery of Faizan Bhatt. Faizan to Nadim. Oh, again caught delivery. Very good over by Faizan Bhatt in his first over. 5 runs, end of 8 overs, 49 on board for the last of 3. एक कसी हुई गेंदबाजी की आज गेंदबाजों ने, खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक ने. Now into the attack, it is Azhar Bhatt. He's on his first over to the batsman Wasik. He's on 23 in 17 deliveries. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे Azhar Bhatt. He's on bowling out to the batsman. Here is chance of a catch. Will he? Mohammad Azim. Oh, missed by the fielders and the 2 batsmen complete a single. एक मौका बनता था विकेट लेने का, लेकिन गवा बैठे. एक मौका था यहाँ पे विकेट लेने का, लेकिन गवा बैठे. It is well tried by the fielders. So it is Azhar Bhatt again to the batsman Nadim. He's on 12. The score is 50 up on board for the loss of 3. Azhar to Nadim. Oh, this is quality shot. Very good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन नादिम के पल्ले से. He moves to 18. The score moves to 56 for the loss of 3. Azhar Bhatt again on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadim. He's on 18. The score on board is 56 for the loss of 2. 142 in 58 deliveries. Azhar to it is I think wide given by the umpire. Azim, sorry, it is Azhar again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again caught delivery by Azhar Bhatt. Beat the batsman. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज नादिम को और बॉल गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. The score remains on 57 for the loss of 3. It is Azhar Bhatt again. He's on his first over to the batsman Nadim. 141 runs required in 57 deliveries and they have 7 wickets stand. It is Azhar Bhatt again to the batsman Nadim. Again good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by Tanveer Rashid. The 2 batsmen complete 2 runs. Azhar Bhatt again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again Koturi, good shot played by the batsman for a single. यहाँ अगर सिंगल की बात करें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा टंगमर ब्लूज बिकॉज दे हैव ह्यूज टोटल ऑफ 198 रन्स. शाइनिंग स्टार अब्दुल्ला दे नीड 15 overs, 15 runs per over, 138 runs in 55 degrees, and they have only 7 wickets in hand. It is Azhar Bhatt again to the batsman Wasik. He's on 24. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se bahar 6 run. Wasik ke palle se he moves to 30. The score moves to 66 for the loss of 3. Here the two batsmen need to be these kinds of shots, 6 and 4s, because they have a huge total. They need 138 runs in 54 degrees. It is a great partnership between the two batsmen, Wasik and Nadim. 50 runs partnership between the two in 37 degrees. Azhar Bhatt is on his last delivery to the batsman Wasik. He's on 30 in 19 deliveries. Azhar to Wasik. Again, good shot. Tandanata hua. Seema rekha se bahar 6 run. Wasik ke palle se. It is again good shot in leg side past 6. The score moves to 73 for the loss of 3. Here the two batsmen need these kinds of shots, 6s and 4s, because they have a huge total to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Rising Tangmara Pillows, they need 7 wickets to win this match. After 9 overs, 73 for the loss of 3. Now Faizan Bhatt is again in to bowling attack. He's on his second over. Nadim is on strike. Faizan to Nadim. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. Wide. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे ये दो बल्लेबाज नादिम और वासिक, because they need 124 runs in 54 degrees. मोहसिन मला, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. इट इज फैजान बट अगेन टू द बैट्समैन नादिम. Oh, this is great shot. तंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन नादिम के बल्ले से. This is again great quality shot played by the batsman Nadim. The score moves to 80 for the loss of 3. Nadim, he moves to 27 runs. The score moves to 80 for the loss of 3. It is Faizan Bhatt again. He's on his secondary to the batsman Nadim. He's on 27. Again, very well shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by Danish Nazir at hand. The two batsmen complete only a single. With this single, the score moves to 81 for the loss of 3. बेटा ओए बाटी इतना बॉल इस पर 5 साल पे Faizan again to the batsman Wasik. Oh, here's chance of a catch. Will he? It will be seen. But well tried by the fielders. Yes, misfielding the two batsmen complete a single. एक और मौका बनता लेकिन कोशिश की वहां पे विकेट कीपर और गेंदबाज ने और बॉल गिरी बीच में. So this is luck for the batsman Nadim. 116 runs in 51 deliveries. The team who win this match they will qualify in the semi-finals. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम जीतने में कामयाब हो जाएगी और अपना नाम सेमीफाइनल में बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. It is Faizan Butt again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again here's chance of a catch with but it is dead ball given by the umpire. Faizan again to the batsman Nadim. There's no ball given by the umpire, missed by wicket keeper. The two batsmen complete 1 run. Faizan Butt again to the batsman Wasik. He's on 37. Oh, again here's chance of a catch. Very well catch at the end by the fielder, but it is no ball. The two batsmen complete a single. It was no ball. After 9.4 overs, the score on board is 85 for the loss of 3. Now Shining Star Aurora, they need 114 runs. They required 14 runs per over. 113 in 50 deliveries. It is Faizan Butt again to the batsman Nadim. Oh wow, this is a great shot played by the batsman. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन नादिम के बल्ले से. It is a great shot played by the batsman Nadim. The ball race for 6. It is Faizan again, 91 runs on board. Oh, again, good shot played by the batsman. Dandanaata hua, Seema rekha se baad 4 run. Nadim, he moves to 38 in 31 deliveries. After 10 overs, 95 for the loss of 3. It is great partnership between the two batsmen, Nadim and Wasik. Both batsmen, they are on 38 runs. Required run rate is 13 runs per over. थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा आप लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में बने रहे. It is a timeout for some time. It is after 10 overs, 95 runs for the loss of 3. 103 runs in 8 overs. They required 13 runs per over. अब थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा। आप देखते हैं कौन सी टीम अपना नाम सेमीफाइनल बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी। द स्कोर ऑन बोर्ड इज 95 फॉर लॉस ऑफ 3 आफ्टर 10 ओवर्स, 114 runs in 8 overs, and they have 7 wickets in hand. Sorry, 103 runs in 48 deliveries. आलिया जी, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद लें। इस इज क्वार्टर फाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स। यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा। आप लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में बने रहें। Live broadcasting.
Ahí está. Squad.
तो अब जो पानी का वक्फा खत्म हुआ है और दोबारा खेल शुरू। मोहम्मद आजिम is into the bowling attack. They need only 103 runs in 48 deliveries. J Maharashtra, thank you watching from Mars. Thank you J Maharashtra for joining us with this live broadcast. It is under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are today Tangmarg Blues versus Shining Star Allura. Tangmarg Blues, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. It is great knock to played by Ubaid, Mohammad Azim, Saklenji, Faizan Butt and also Tanveer Rashid. They achieved a total of 198 runs at the end. Very well bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq, 3 wickets in his 3 overs and gave only 8 runs. Now into the bowling attack. It is Mohammad Azim, Shining Star. They need 103 runs in 48 deliveries and they have 7 wickets in hand. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे यहाँ पे मोहम्मद आजिम और किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे ये दो बल्लेबाज 60 runs partnership between the two batsmen, Nadim and Wasik. Mohammad Azim to Wasik. Oh, this is good start. Here's appeal. Tampur refused this. Mohammad Azim again to the batsman Wasik. Oh, again, very good delivery. Here's appeal. Out killed by the umpire. This is catered by Mohammad Azim. It is clean, very well. End of this good partnership between the two batsmen Wasik and Nadim. Now Mohammad Azim, he break this partnership, good partnership of 60 runs between the two. The wicket of Wasik. So this is a good comeback by the bowler Mohammad Azim. He takes his first wicket on his secondary in his first over. The wicket of Wasik. 103 runs in 46 deliveries, and they have only 6 wickets in hand. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup Under 19 at Chukarpatan. Thank you, Peter Kingsaf, for joining us with this live broadcast. Thank you for your comment section, Pete Kingsaf. It is Mohammad Azim again. The new batsman on strike is Abid. 103 runs in 46 deliveries. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals. Abid is the new batsman. Mohammad Azim, he's again on his bowling out to the batsman Abid. Oh, second caught by Mohammad Azim. Shahrukh Khan ने चित किया बल्लेबाज को और क्लीन बोल्ड किया, डंडे बाहर किए यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज आबिद के. Now a shining star, they are in trouble now. They lost their 5th wicket. The wicket of new batsman Abid. It is Mohammad Azim. This is good comeback by the bowler Mohammad Azim. 2 wickets in his first over. Now Mohsin Majid is the new batsman for Shining Star Aurora. Tangmarg Blues, they need only 5 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup Under 19. Alia ji sir Khaki ne salam bheja. Thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. और खाकी साहब से ये भी पूछो कि भाई का हाल कैसा है, ठीक है? Alhamdulillah, I think he is fine after yesterday's accident with Ejaz Khaki's brother. I think he will be fine. The new batsman is Momin Majid is the new batsman. Mohammad Azim again caught a very good keeping behind the wickets by the wicket keeper. 95 for the loss of 5. Wani Faizan, bada batsman. Thank you, Wani Faizan Saab, for joining us. It is Mohammad Azim again to the batsman Momin. Oh, this is again good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua, Sima Lekha se baat 4 run. Momin Mujid ke balle se. The score moves to 99 for the loss of 5. Beat King Tangmarg Blues, thank you Beat King for joining us with this live broadcast. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम सेमीफाइनल्स में अपना नाम बनाने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. वेरी गुड अगेन बाय द बॉलर मोहम्मद आजिम. 3 विकेट चटकाए इस ओवर में, क्लीन बॉलिंग किया. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया बल्लेबाज को, विकेट गंवाई ने. नदीम Very good delivery by Mohammad Azim. This is good comeback by the bowler Mohammad Azim. अगर हम इस ओवर की बात करेंगे तो मोहम्मद आजिम ने एक ओवर किया और 4 रन दिए, 3 विकेट चटकाए इस पहले ओवर में. So this is a good comeback by the bowler Mohammad Azim. 99 for the loss of 6. Tangmarg Blues, they need only 4 wickets to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Wani Faizan, thank you for your positive comment in comment section. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम क्वालिफाई करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में. But Tangmar Blues, they are in driving seat now. They lost. They take early 6 wickets, 99 on board. They need now 4 wickets to win this match. It is very great bowling by Mohammad Azim. इसके बारे में हम क्या ही कह सकते हैं. He is one of the talented cricketer of Tangmar Blues. Mohammad Azim with bat and with ball today. 36 runs by bat and also 3 wickets in his first over and also in only give 4 runs. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा मोहम्मद आजिम के दौरान 4 रन खर्च करके 3 विकेट चटकाए पहले ओवर में. कैसी हुई गेंदबाजी. Usman Maksud chases impossible in this pitch. Thank you Usman Maksud Isa for joining us with this live broadcast. It is Sheikh Sahil into the bowling attack. He's on his 3rd over. The batsman on strike is Nadim. He's on 38. 99 runs in 42 deliveries and they have 4 wickets in hand. They need 15 runs per over. It is Sheikh Sahil to Nadim. Oh, this is great comeback. Good start by Sheikh Sahil. Beat the batsman. Ball goes into the close of wicket keeper. No run. It is just Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Nadim. Again Kotiri मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया बल्लेबाज को. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single it is 100 up on board for the loss of 6. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Mir Mudassir. Again good delivery, very good delivery by Sheikh Sahil. Ball goes into the close of wicket keeper. No run. The score remains on 100 for the loss of 6. 98 in 39 deliveries and they have 4 wickets in hand. Tangmar Blues need 4 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Under-19 Super Cup. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman. Very good delivery again by the batsman bowler Sheikh Sahil. Beat the batsman Mir Mudassir. No run. The score remains on 100 for the loss of 4. 6. Now 98 runs in 38 deliveries. It is Faizan Sheikh Faisal again. He is on his 2nd over to the batsman Mir Mudassir. 98 in 38 deliveries. Sheikh Sahil to the batsman Mir again. Contrary ball goes into the close of wicket keeper. No run. Score remains on 100 for the loss of 6. Here 98 runs in 37 deliveries. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम क्वालिफाई करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में. Which team will be qualified in the semi? The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. It is Sheikh Sahil again to the batsman Mir Mudassir. Oh, again good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single after 12 overs, 101 for the loss of 6. Now 36 deliveries. They need 97 runs and they have 4 wickets in hand. Tangmar Blues, they need 4 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals. It is Mohammad Azim again on his second over. Oh, again here chance of wicket. End of 7th wicket. This is again Muhammad Azim. 4th wicket for Muhammad Azim. It is great bowling, great catching at the end by Sheikh Sahil. मोहम्मद आजिम की बात करेंगे तो चौथा विकेट छटकाया आपने दूसरे ओवर में, पहले गेंद पर विकेट ली मोहम्मद आजिम ने. Now Shining Star, they lost their 7th wicket. Tangmar Blues, they need 3 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Muhammad Azim is again into the on his bowling bar. Very good we can beat the batsman. No run. The score remains on 101 for the loss of 7. Tangmar Blues, they need only 3 wickets to win this match. Not only win this match, they will qualify in the finals after this T20 Super Cup. It is Muhammad Azim again. Again, here chance again. Will he? But it is no man's land. The 2 batsmen complete a single. Muhammad Azim again to the batsman Nadim. Oh, again Kochari, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. Muhammad Azim again to the batsman Momin Razak. Oh, here's a chance of a catch. Will he? Oh, this is a loss. Drop the catch. After 13 overs, 104 for the loss of Muhammad Azim. After 2 overs, 7 runs, 4 wickets. This is great bowling by Muhammad Azim. Tangmar Blues, they need 3 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-final. It is Muhammad Tawfiq, he's on his last over. Nadim is on strike, he's on 40. Again caught delivery by Muhammad Tawfiq. Ball goes into the close of wicket keeper, no run. Momin Razak is on strike. Muhammad Tawfiq, he's on his last over. It is a 14th over in process. 29 deliveries, 94 runs, and they have 3 wickets. Tangmar Blues, they are in driving seat here. Muhammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Momin. Again good shot played by the batsman at the end. It is only a single. The 2 batsmen complete and 105 for the loss of 7. एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा आज टंगमर ब्लूज की गेंदबाजी खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक और मोहम्मद आजिम ने की. 4 विकेट मोहम्मद आजिम ने लिए और इट इज अगेन कोटली बाय मोहम्मद तौफीक beat the batsman. Ball goes into the close of wicket keeper. The score remains on 105 for the loss of 7. It is Muhammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Nadim. He's on 40. Again good shot played by the batsman at the end. It is a great fielding by Tanveer Rashid. The 2 batsmen complete only a single. Mohammad Tawfiq again. Again, Koturi. Beat the batsman. Mohammad Momin Razak. Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Momin Razak. 106. Again, Koturi, ball goes into the close of the wicketkeeper. Here the two batsmen complete a single. After 14 overs, 107 for the loss of 7. 4 overs are remaining in this first 24 degrees, and they need 22 runs per over.
So the over complete. 14 overs like a complete.
Shahid. Oh, this is a can caught by Shahid. With the batsman, no run ball goes into the close of wicketkeeper. It is a Tangmar Pillows on driving seat. They need only 3 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. It is Shahid. He's on his third over to the batsman Momin Razak. He's on 3. Oh, again, here is a good shot played by the batsman for 4. Belki söyleyeyim ileri adamın oldu. Güzel. Shahid again to the batsman. Oh, again, Peter batsman. The ball goes into the close of wicketkeeper, no run. Shahid, he's again to the batsman Momin Razak. Slow delivery, very good shot played by the batsman. Ball will race the boundary for 4. Muhsin Mullah, thank you Muhsin Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Oh, this is captured by Shahid. Shahrukh Khan ने चित क्लीन बोल्ड किया बल्लेबाज मोमिन रज़ाक को. It is 8 wicket for Tangmar Pillows. Now Tangmar Pillows, they need 2 wickets to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. It is Shahid again. He's on his last delivery to the batsman. Athar is the new batsman. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman for 4. After 15 overs, 119 for the loss of 8. Now 3 overs are remaining in this last in second inning. They need शीत रन करने Oh, here's chance of a catch. Really, very well tried by the bowler at the end. The two batsmen complete a single. It is Ubaid. He's on his first over. 46 runs knock played by the bowler Ubaid. Very well knocked today. Good start given by this bowler Ubaid. 46 runs to his team. Tangmark Pillows. Quarterly, no run. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. 125 was the beat. Now 16 deliveries are remaining in the second inning. Again, Quarterly. Totally. Ubaid again. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Fafur. It is Ubaid again. Very good shot again. Two batsmen complete 2 runs. तो एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा आज टंगमर्ग पिलोज के गेंदबाजों ने खासकर मोहम्मद तौफीक और मोहम्मद आजिम ने 3 विकेट चटकाए हैं। मोहम्मद तौफीक ने और 4 विकेट लिए हैं मोहम्मद तौफीक ने और 1 विकेट लिया है साहिल शाहिद ने। आफ्टर 16 overs 2 overs are remaining. 1 wicket for Shahid in 3 overs. Mohammad Tawfiq 3 overs 4 overs 3 run 10 and Mohammad Azim 4 wickets for Mohammad Azim. It is Danish Nazir. He's on his first over to the batsman Nadim. He's on 49. Sorry, 42. Oh, it is wide, given by the umpire, wide. Danish to Atar. Is again wide. Oh, very well keeping behind the wickets by wicketkeeper. It is Danish Nazir again to the batsman Atar. Wide, again wide. Wide and missed it, wise forward. Again, good shot played by the batsman. Ball will race. His great fielding at the end by Ubaid. Now 7 deliveries are remaining in this inning. The total target 198, but it is great bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq and Muhammad Azim. Danish Nazir again to the batsman. Solo delivery at after 17 overs. Now 1 over is remaining in this run chase in second inning. Ahora go Magloy, ahora go Magloy. Now 5 deliveries are remaining in this inning. 4 runs for the batsman. It is 50 for Nadim. He needs 2 runs to complete his 50. 42 deliveries, 48 runs. It is Nadim on strike. He is on 49. Again, good delivery by Azhar, but no run. Azhar to Nadim. Oh, this is great shot here. Chance of a catch. End of 9th wicket. End of Nadim. It is very well locked played by the batsman Nadim. 53 runs in 44 deliveries. Now 1 wicket to win this match in 4 deliveries. And they need real. It is Azhar, the last pair. Very good today again. Now 2 deliveries are remaining in this first inning. Second inning, the total target was 198. But it is a great knock today. Last ball. Last ball. So this is end of this match. Win for Tangmark Billows. They qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. End of this live broadcast. Tangmark Billows, they qualify in the semi-finals of this T20. So we'll meet again tomorrow, inshallah. Hope so. End of this live broadcast. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.